The Piano Marvel YouTube competition has to be the best event ever. I have done this competition for 10 years running, and I do it with every one of my students. It is amazing. Take advantage of this. We'd love to see your videos. There are 3 simple steps. First, you have to take your video and upload it to YouTube. Step 2, you have to title your video correctly. And step 3, copy and paste the YouTube link in the form. You can find the form in the description below, or you can just follow me along. I have a video that I'll show you how I upload it, and this is super simple. So there are lots of ways to upload your video to YouTube. You can do it straight from your phone, or you can do it through your computer. I'm going to show you how to do it through the computer because I already have the video on my computer. So you go to YouTube and then you click on this upload video button, and then you will click on select a file and do a search on your computer and find the video. Your video will start downloading, and you can go ahead and put in a description and the title. So I mentioned the title was important. Let's go over to musicmarvel.com, and you'll find this competitions page. It'll tell you the format, how you should title your video. So let's go ahead and just grab this, and I'm going to copy and paste it right into the link here. Start by typing Piano Marvel Competition 2022 and then put a dash and then put the performers' names followed by the title of the composition, and if you have room, go ahead and put the composer's name here, which is always nice to have. Just be aware on this step. If you choose yes, it's made for kids, nobody will be allowed to make any comments. But if you do select no, it's not made for kids, this will allow people to comment on your video, which the judges will be commenting on your video if you want this option. But be aware that sometimes people will put in some nasty comments that you can remove, but sometimes it's not very pleasant. So it's your choice which one you want to do. I'm going to say no, it's not made for kids to allow commenting. This step make sure to do correctly. You want to list this as public so that the judges can see your video. You can change this later if you'd like. I will click publish, and then I will grab my YouTube link. I'm going to copy the link, and then we'll go to the competition page and we'll submit the video. Put the name of the performers, put in my email address, select the division that you're entering, and you can do any of these: early elementary, ages 5 to 7, or late elementary, or middle school ages, or high school ages, or the adult competition. Notice if whatever age your student is, if they're doing a duet or an ensemble, it goes in this one. It doesn't matter their age. And then same thing with your own composition if you're doing that one. So they are doing an ensemble. I'm going to select this one here. And then the division is done. The teacher is me, Aaron Garner. And then the video, I have pasted that link already. Let's put it in. And you're done. So this is a really cool page. If you want to see the entries that are done, you can come over here and you can see we've already have a couple of entries in the elementary. In the late one, you could be the first one. Nobody's there yet. In the middle school, there's nobody yet. High school, nobody yet. The adult, nobody yet. And then the ensemble one, we have one. This should take about an hour to populate your video. So if you don't see it right away, don't be concerned. It'll be there within an hour. That's as easy as it gets. We'll see you in the YouTube competition, and I'm excited to see your videos and the work you come up with this year.